Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro Sportive 2900 1.6 CDTI, 120, L1H1 starts drives noisy gearbox. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 110,827. MOT, the 17th of December 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO SE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. The gearbox will need repairing or replacing. Fourth gear will not engage and make some noise. Grin van runs and drives okay with no lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, sat-nav, cruise control, air con, electric windows.